Hello everyone, welcome back to Spanish Hut. So, are you ready to expand your vocabulary? Let's start. Our today's video is about house. I wanna help you to understand and use our 80 plus essential household words, expressions and phrases. So, I challenge you after this lesson, try to go around your house and name things. You could even write down a label and put it around. So, pay attention, make some notes and let's get started. Now, first is house. We call it as casa, sink, fregadero, faucet, grifo, stove, estufa, oven, horno, refrigerator, refrigerador, freezer, congelador, dishwasher, lavaplatos, appliances, electrodomésticos, toaster, tostadora, coffee maker, cafetera, blender, licuadora, mixer, batidora, pantry, despensa, cupboard, alacena, floor, piso, chair, silla, clock, reloj, coffee table, mesa de centro, lamp, lampara, vase, florero, carpet, alfombra, bedroom, dormitorio, bed, cama, rug, tapete, window, ventana, curtains, cortinas, wardrobe, armario, alarm clock, despertador, toothpaste, pasta de dientes, toothbrush, cepillo de dientes, soap, jabón, towel, toalla, comb, peine, brush, cepillo, razor, maquinilla de afeitar, lotion, loción, balcony, balcón, basement, sótano, dining room, comedor, garage, garaje, kitchen, cocina, laundry room, cuarto de lavado, living room, sala, rooms, cuartos, spare room, cuarto de invitados, home office, despacho, door, puerta, doorbell, timbre, fan, ventilador, furniture, muebles, heater, calentador, lawn, césped, lock, cerradura, restroom or bathroom, baño, stairs, escaleras, wall, muro, wallpaper, papel pintado, broom, escoba, trash can, bote de basura, vacuum cleaner, aspiradora, bowl, ball, cutlery, cubiertos, microwave, microondas, pan, sartén, plate, plato, spoon, cuchara, tissue, tecido, toilet paper, papel higiénico, bookshelf, estante, fireplace, chimenea, toothpick, palillo, ground floor, planta baja, to clean, limpiar, to wash, lavar, to prepare, preparar, to mop, fregar, to boil, hervir, to fry, rear, to bake, hornear, to watch, ver, to relax, descansar. So this is all about our house vocabulary in the Spanish language. I hope you will understand each and every word of this house vocabulary in the Spanish language. See you next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.